Last night, the Kshatriya or the Rajput community disrupted a campaign meeting of BJP which had to be cut short. Today, BJP candidate Purushottam Rupala refused to turn up at a campaign meet at the last moment, a meeting that was organized in the city, Rajkot city, by a Brahmins organization of Rajkot. Interestingly, Union Minister Amit Shah also held a campaign meet in one of the villages in Rajkot, but the candidate Purushottam Rupala was not there at the meeting. Rajkot, an otherwise stronghold of BJP, where BJP has been winning in both Assembly and the Lok Sabha seats for many terms now, should have been an easy win for BJP.
Protests by the Kshatriya and Darbar communities in Gujarat show no signs of abating as they disrupt yet another BJP poll rally in Rajkot on April 26. In March, BJP Lok Sabha candidate from Rajkot, Purushottam Rupala, referred to the historical practice of roti-beti relation during the British era in Rajkot, where Rajput kings would marry their daughters to British nobles in exchange for various privileges like tax cut. Rupala apologized yet again to the Kshatriya community in a campaign meeting in Rajkot.
મારે ક્ષત્રિય સમાજના આગેવાનોને સમસ્ત રાજ્યના આ સભાના માધ્યમથી એક વિનંતી કરવી છે કે ભૂલ કરી હતી મેં કરી હતી એની મેં જાહેરમાં માફી માંગી લીધી કારણ કે મારો ઈરાદો નહોતો અને સમાજની સામે જઈને પણ મેં માફી માંગી અને સમાજની વચ્ચે જઈને અને સમાજે મને એનો પ્રતિસાદ પણ આપ્યો પણ મોદી સાહેબની સામે શા માટે?
The remark incensed both men and women from the Rajput community, with women particularly active in protests for over a month now. They are demanding the removal of Rupala as the BJP candidate from the Rajkot Lok Sabha seat. However, the BJP remains unfazed despite the raging protests. Rupala will be contesting against Congress's Paresh Dhanani, a leader of the Leva Patel community from Amreli.
Paresh Dhanani just completed his campaign meet for the day. Congress's Paresh Dhanani has been meeting people through Jastan Taluka of Rajkot all day today, a rural area in Rajkot Lok Sabha constituency. Dhanani, a Congress veteran leader, is all set to take over on BJP's Purushottam Rupala in its stronghold district, Rajkot, which is not just a BJP stronghold but has been a home ground for Jan Sangh and RSS as well. Congress believes and says that the Rajput anger, along with the caste dynamic of candidate and Leva Patel leader Paresh Dhanani, will certainly go in favor of Congress this time, and the party will manage to snatch this prestige seat and the stronghold of BJP in its pocket for 2024 Lok Sabha polls.
The largest number of voters in the Rajkot constituency belong to the Leva Patel community, which could tilt the balance in favor of the Congress candidate amid a call by the Rajput community to not vote for the BJP. Traditionally, the Rajput community has been part of the Kham, the Kshatriya, Harijan, Adivasi Muslim combined, and has been more supportive of Congress than BJP, at least until the 2022 state polls. Once again, it appears that the community will rally behind the Congress. Purushottam Rupala and the Rajkot BJP unit are pinning their hopes on Prime Minister Narendra Modi to resolve the issue, but notably, Modi's planned trip to Gujarat does not include a stopover in Rajkot this time. Rajkot, once BJP stronghold, now seems to bring trouble to the Saffron party. Rupala belongs to the Kharwa Patel community, which is not the majority in Rajkot. The Leva Patels are in the majority community and are likely to play a significant role. However, the ultimate decision may rest with the Koli Patel community, an OBC group in Rajkot, which appears to be the only neutral party in this situation. Thus, the election outcome in this constituency will be closely watched.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.